Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Here we are at Butterfree C, and here we are with Super Bosses 1 to 5. So with that said, let's just switch Pokemon from this C. Let's find someone that's not too weak, not too, I don't know. Not exactly not too strong, but not too weak. And let's just give a normal gear. I'm not sure. Let's just give us outrage gear. For the sake of that, we have caught 25 Pokemon. It's a Ponyta. Super boss number 1. Just hit him once and just kill him with outrage. Our summon gear or super rare summon gear from the past island. And that said, that was super boss number 1, guys. We're going to do until super boss number 5 in this video. Continuing on the next videos with 6 through 10. 10 or 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25. And hopefully, Super Boss number 30 is accessible. Not too weak like the last island, but not too strong that we cannot defeat it. With that said, this is Super Boss number 2, Vulpix, still weak against water. Let's just hit him once. Like, let's just ignore the others. Oh, no. Did I actually hit him? I hope I did. If not, we only get 2 goals or 2 stars. I hope I did hit him. So we get 3 stars. Good! I hit him. And that said, that was Super Boss number 2. On to Super Boss number 3, guys. Charmeleon. Same thing. Fire type weak against water. Here we go. Battle. Charmeleon, Super Boss number 3. Let's hit him once. And hit him with a summon gear. Just to quickly finish this stage. As fast as we could. I hurt my knee very badly earlier, guys. It still hurts like hell. And Super Boss number 4 coming right up. I think it's another fire type, guys. It's Combusken. Combusken! Let's finish this very quickly. Here we go. Battle. Combusken. Young foul Pokemon. Let's just hit him once and use a summon gear. Guys, sorry my video got cut off. I ran out of storage space. Oh boy. That said, that was Super Boss number 4. Combusken. I hope I didn't erase a wrong video. If not, I'm super, I don't know, super bad, super stupid. And I cannot repeat some stages anymore though. Like, I can repeat this, but we are finished with those stages anyway. Caterpie, Super Boss number 5, last in this video. We don't have any attack that is weak or that is strong against, you know, Caterpie, but we can have summon gears. So with that said, let's just switch to Hurricane gear, Lugia. Switch and battle. Let's kill all those Love Disc and kill Caterpie with our summon gear. Hurricane. And with that said, that was Super Boss number 5 cleared. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this helpful or entertaining or whatsoever. And with that said, I'll see you guys with Super Boss number 6 through 10 in the next video. Give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next video. Rawr.